Unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth.
Morning, my people. It's a beautiful morning outside. Decided I'm gonna come outside, sip on a cup of black coffee, and just scroll through my WhatsApp and my email and things to see what one of my viewers send me. And believe me, you know, there is always something happening out there in the world of the internet, and there is always somebody who are gonna send me a video and say unstoppable. Check out that one here. So the latest video will come to me is of a group of peace officers or some SQUADI at Jamaica attempt to arrest a man. Now for whatever reason, don't know, but them attempt to arrest the man, and from the people in the background, them say the man is a government worker too. So make we check out that one here together.
So why they approach me like that before? Well, you know what
Hold it.
Come on, here, Joe.
Yo. When I use brute force, when I use brute force, I know some things. When I use brute force, yeah, when I use brute force, big man thing. When I use brute force,
Let me have video something. Talk to me now.
A government.
Be just talk to me when I listen to you.
Start it first. And a government work at all. Don't unfair. That me tell you. The man just come from work. And the man goes to boom and tell you. I go to boom.
Now you first slip me.
Police, government lick him man. Good fighting there when they pan a while ago. Fighting. More time. And the one you move, come a gunshot fire, lick him.
Everybody sees that. Yo, young you, just relax, brother. Young you, just relax.
Please stay on the call now.
Young you, just relax.
Hear me?
Just relax.
Me have video it.
Relax, man. Just relax, man. Not big money, no man. I'm not government. Where you going to fire about that? Yeah, man, mine and this charge of fire out there. Okay, I'll kill everybody out there. Yeah. Well, relax, man. A show, man. A government. Look at the man shot. Big up water commission. Therefore, the man shot. I'm going to deal with it. Why you going like that?
Shabba going night. Shabba going night.
No, that's why you deal with it, man. That's why you deal with it, man.
Yeah, we can be able to also. Let off from me, man. No.
Just relax, young you. Just settle yourself, man. I want to kill up yourself, man.
Relax. Make the youth.
Relax, man.
I like you.
Yeah, man, I ain't supposed to get man, of course. Everybody out there see that. Now we have big guy witness at
Long
court.
time starting.
Big guy witness at court. I ain't supposed to get the man. Everybody see that.
I want a shot. Where did it come from?
I want the man tell him that.
No, let off.
I let the man tell them. I ain't seen that. Yo, cool ring. Yo.
Yo, sin take out thing gun there now. Oh. o'clock gunshot lick up me ears. You know. Got me catch a gunshot in a ear, you know. When I come for work and the police them bumbuckle to match up him man. Where him man I come from? Fire gunshot. When I come for work and they play music and they go in and them a start man. Ali gunshot me catch on the fire. Of course, Ali. No man, Ali gunshot me catch. Yo, me feel like me deaf. Lord? I'm supposed to give man, me see it. From the God. Yeah, man, take pussy on it, man.
No, but the man try to bigger man in my car.
Yeah, man, take it. Put on your blood.
Pass it. Yo. Clap one more time. Clap that.
Yeah,
Clap more tight.
Get your phone, get your brick.
No one money time now. We no afraid of more car with the iris. Licking I'm
Everything.
everything I go on the camera too. I'll shot fire and thing, you know, man. Make it someone to drive back on him.
Man, just come here for a little while.
And then the person see man come here and be excited over it. You know peaceful place. You know that. Just sit that road, you can't never go to the road and nobody will trouble you. You know that, bad man. So when you move, so you know body around. And you come up and you come. Someone has a top up on the man. We're all going to pick up that
You could have shoot him, man, you know. You could have shoot him, man, you know. But guess what going on? I catch everything on the camera, you know. For the gunfire on the camera. For the gunfire on the camera.
Anybody that could get shot, I discharge your life before your arm. I know you will think. Boy, they're going to get shot to that too. We're not eat that around here. Remember that. Discharge your fire.
That man, you can get the phone when you come go and court it there, man. Gunshot at the fire there, buddy.
Every night.
Listen up, you have everything. They can't see
Yo, think up on the gunfire.
everything now in here, brother.
Mario, the talk and the Mario, the
Of course, when man come and say we see everything when they go on in top, fist up him man. We see what they go on in top. Lord God. I know soldier man and police.
I hear that thing that bad man. You can't hear the man for bad man.
Just a reach. Look for me, just a reach. How far that the station there?
Hey, watch that camera. Everything there, you know. Everything there, you know. Everything there, you know. Everything there, you know. Everything there. Everything there. Look at thing in this room. When you fire a shot, you catch it right as well. Yo, I got some coffee man, you know. And call a man this up, you pop down the fence, that man they beat him man in the fence, right? So they beat him man in the fence, right? So and you can one fire man. Man, me not. Yo, me nearly deaf to pussy class. Some top man for a gun, that's a brother. And headphone, I'm yes, no. In a ear. Itu one dirty. Kau pakai mana? Kau one dirty. A dirty. One long round there. See, I'm rustle the go on road. Yeah, it's a man dirty. 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 Whole I'm dirty. Dirty. It's one raga up. No money time, no, we have.
No, you want to hear the truth about this, right? And this is my opinion. It's good that the people them they dead to see everything we are going and probably prevent something from happening where it could have happened. But me I gotta tell you this right now. The video here is more of incriminating evidence against the brother where the police them did a try for arrest. And the reason why I said that I'm point it out too. This right here so prove say him did a resist arrest. Right? That's the first thing. So if this figure court, the video you can use as evidence against him. Right? If you say yo him did a resist arrest. So the police them not even have to prove say him did a resist arrest because the video there as proof. That's a point one. Point two, in at the end the brother say look on that one there in dirty, and you see a big rustling did that go on. incriminating him again. You understand? Alright? Now, the part where is gonna be an issue is the video not show what happened at the beginning. Right, the very beginning, the video does not show what happened right then and there, right? So nobody don't know what started. That's the first thing, right? That's again, right? Now, is a government worker fine? That no mean nothing. Come here, them a shout out and I say, yo, is a government worker. We don't know what caused it, cause I mean, not because he's a government worker doesn't mean he can't break the law. And I'm not saying that he did not break. I'm not saying that he did break the law, but I'm just saying, you know, screaming out is a government worker just like you, not really prove nothing or really help nothing. You understand what I say? Now, the part I mean I get is why did I resist in the first place? You understand? We don't know why them did I lock him up, but that still don't give the police them right for punch him up in his stomach, like how we see that one day that punch him up in his stomach. You understand? And this is where me have a problem with, because me feel like the police need to understand, say, yo, people are human being too. You understand? If you not see a threat, no, we understand them say, yo, you know, if you try to arrest somebody, you know, you have to use whatever force necessary, you know, to accost that person, right? That's how the police them go by, right? But beating up a person, me not agree with that one. You understand me? I say, no, the next part is when time the people them say, yo, them if go in a car or whatever, in a police car or whatever. Why is it somebody couldn't come with him? Because we know all that thing they set up already. Nobody know want to go nowhere with no police, because we know how that might end up with police and soldier. We know how that might end up. So when the person that say, yo, make that person they follow the police chief guy station, me agree with that one day. You see, because the man never want to go with the police them by himself, right? Yeah, we understand that part there. Alright? But talk to me in the comment section at my opinion, my views, share your one down below, and also if you have a video where you want to get out there, send it to that number up on the screen, WhatsApp. Alright, any video where you want the public to see, send it to that number up on the screen. Alright, everybody, big up on yourself, have a blessed day.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.